Hello and welcome to a Profometer PM8000 tutorial. Statistics. On completion of this tutorial, you'll be able to use statistics from line scan or area scan measurements. After measuring, or after opening a line scan or area scan measurement, you can visualize the statistics by swiping two fingers. First, you access to cover and spacing statistics, with number of values n, for cover and rebar spacing. Average values of cover and rebar spacing. Median values of cover and rebar spacing. Standard deviations of cover and rebar spacing. Lowest and highest values. All cover values are visible in a diagram, with percentage share in vertical axis and values in horizontal axis. It is possible to change the minimum and maximum cover threshold. By sliding with one finger, it will trigger color changes. It is also possible to access to advanced statistics, called dBV distribution, for cover values. Download the dBV guideline from the webpage to know more about dBV guidelines. By setting the minimum cover thresholds, 5% and 10% percentiles will be highlighted in red if failing below the minimum cover threshold, or in green if passing above the minimum cover threshold. The pass or fail colors help in the repair decision-making of the reinforced concrete surface measured of a beam, column, wall, or slab. Rebar diameter statistics are also available in the rebar diameters section. Cover values average, standard deviation, and lowest and highest values are provided in a table as reminder. Rebar diameter number of measurements, lowest and highest values are given in the table. Diameter values are provided in a diagram, with percentage share in vertical axis and rebar diameter in horizontal axis.